Hello everyone, this is Jose from Pro Studio Live, and I have a really cool tip for you. I'm going to remove unwanted noise on an instrument track as it fades out. So in this case it's a guitar, an acoustic guitar, and the noise is speaker noise. My speakers were doing this really weird noise I didn't know how to fix, and I left them on as I was recording the acoustic guitar, so of course it went through. Now you can't hear it while I'm playing the song, but once I play that last chord, everything just comes up and it sounds really nasty. So we're gonna get rid of that. First, let me show you what I'm talking about so you can hear it. Yeah, so it's not very musical. I would record it again, but sometimes you can't. Sometimes you don't have that option. The musician isn't available to re-record, and this is what you have to fix. So this is what I'm going to do. I just deleted off a bunch of that tail, and I'm just doing a little fade out here. So all you have now is this. And you want it longer. You want it to sound musical. So we're going to create a fake tail. We're going to have this send that we're going to automate. So as it's ending the last note, we're going to turn it up. It's going to go into a reverb. This is what's going to do the magic for us. Yeah, so this reverb basically is what's going to give us that tail. I'm using Reverb. In your case, if you don't have it, you could use any other reverb type. Just these are the settings you're going to have to mess around with. Reverb type. Play 2 worked for this acoustic guitar. You're just gonna have to toggle through the different options your reverb has till you find one that matches the tone. Try to get a flat frequency response if you can. And time is important. You don't want it to be too long or too short. You want it to sound pretty natural. All right. So then what did you do? All right, I added a compressor because when the reverb was kicking in, it came a little too loud, and I needed to compress that, and then it would be a little quiet after that. So by compressing the initial volume surge of the reverb, then it sounded a little more natural. It flowed better. It sounded like the same instrument, kind of. Yeah, and I turned the gain really high because I needed the reverb to be very loud. And then I put on an EQ. There was a weird frequency around 3668 that it kind of fixed it, but this was really just for my particular instrument and situation. But you might want to do something like this, because reverbs have their own sounds and they're not going to sound exactly like your instrument. So this is where you tweak. So I'm going to show you what it sounds like with all of this. So we have to automate this send, right? So let's go ahead and do that. And then we're going to be able to hear all this in action. So you're not hearing the reverb while I'm playing. It's off, and it only comes on at the very end as such. And this will give us this result. A lot smoother. I can play that again for you. Yeah, did you notice how the compressor is just like compressing 6 dB and then slowly goes down? I don't know, I thought it made it sound more natural. And yeah, so if you can't re-record and there's no other option, this is really going to help you save the day and get something that you can show to people that's actually presentable. So I really hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to be doing more videos like this, so stay tuned.